नमस्कार दर्शक बंधु मु ज्ञान रंजन स्वागत करुच्ची आपको फाइट फॉर एग्जाम यूट्यूब चैनल को जदि आप एपर्यंत आम चैनल को सब्सक्राइब करना प्लीज सब्सक्राइब कर दिंतु तापर आम जो रिसेंट अपडेट आसपारे आम आपको कंटिन्यूअस भाव में सीटीवीडी क्लासेस दे आसचु आज यह आपणकर 11 नंबर क्लास जदि आप पूर्व क्लास टाक जाई देखी ना यथाशीघ्र देखी ना आमर आपणकर एग्जाम प्रिपेरेसन बहुत हेल्पफुल हम चलते आरंभ कर आज एपिसोड कंटिन्यूअस भाव आम क्वेश्चन दे आसचु आज मुझे 50 टी क्वेश्चन कहि वीडियो प्रथम शेष पर्यंत देखु केमी लगे निश्चय कमेंट बॉक्स में लिखि पठातु आप 50 टारू केतटा क्वेश्चन कर उत्तर लिखि आमको निश्चय पठातु चलते आरंभ कर आज फर्स्ट क्वेश्चन इन व्हिच ऑफ द फॉलोइंग will a piece of iron weight most? In which of the following will a piece of iron weight most? Option A, in air. B, in the atmosphere of oxygen. C, in an atmosphere of carbon dioxide. D, in vacuum. So correct answer is D, in vacuum the a piece of iron weight most. D is the correct answer. Go to next question. A man jumping out of a moving train is thrown. A man jumping out of a moving train is thrown. Option A, forward. B, backward. C, sidewise. D, none of the above. So correct answer is forward. Option A is the correct answer. Go to next question. Question number 3. The principle on which a jet engine works is option A, conservation of mass. B, Newton law of action and reaction. C, conservation of angular momentum. D, none of the above. So correct option is Newtonian law of action and reaction. Option B is the correct answer. Go to next question. Question number 4. It is easier to climb down a staircase than climb up because in climbing down, option A, work done against gravity. B, the steepness of staircase isn't felt. C, gravity assist. D, there is no friction between legs and steps. So correct option is gravity assist. Option C is the correct answer. Go to next question. Question number 5. A man stands in a lift which accelerates upwards. The resultant reaction force on the floor of the lift is A, greater than the weight of man. B, less than the weight of the man. C, same as the weight of the man. So correct answer is A, greater than the weight of the man. Go to next question. Question number 6. Which physical quantity is measured in watt? Which physical quantity is measured in watts? Option A, power. B, kinetic energy. C, momentum. D, impulse. So correct answer is power. Power is measured in watt. Option A is the correct answer. Go to next question. Question number 7. The theory that constitutes the center of the universe around which the sun and the planets revolved was propounded by option A, Copernicus. B, Ptolemy. C, Newton. D, Kepler. So correct answer is Ptolemy. Option B is the correct answer. This theory was propounded by Ptolemy. Go to next question. Question number 8. It is more difficult to walk on ice than on a concrete road because option A, there is very little friction between the ice and feet pressing it. B, ice soft when compared to concrete. C, there is more friction between the ice and feet. D, none of the above. So correct answer is there is a little friction between ice and the feet pressing it. Option A is the correct answer. Go to next question. When the velocity of a body is halved. When a velocity of a body is halved. Option A, its momentum is halved. B, its kinetic energy is halved. C, its acceleration is halved. D, its potential energy is halved. So correct option is its momentum is halved. Option A is the correct answer. Go to next question. Question number 10. The inability of a body to change its states of rest or uniform motion along a straight line is called its option A momentum, B velocity, C acceleration, D inertia. Option D is the correct answer. Inertia is the correct answer. Go to next question. Question number 11. When a bullet is fired from the gun, option A gun move forward, B gun jumps up, C gun doesn't move, D gun recoils with same momentum as the bullet. So correct option is D. When a bullet is fired from the gun recoils with the same momentum as the bullet. Question number 12. Choose the scalar quantity from the following physical quantity. Choose the scalar quantity from the following physical quantity. Option A force, B velocity, C acceleration, D speed. So speed is the scalar quantity. Go to next question. Question number 13. If you want to open a door with less velocity difficulty, you push it. Option A at the middle, B at a point away from the hinge, C near the hinge, D none of the above. So correct answer is at a point away from the hinge. Option B is the correct answer. Go to next question. Question number 14. A body has fallen from a height just before touching the pound. It has option A lost all its potential energy and gained an equivalent amount of kinetic energy. B gained potential energy and lost kinetic energy. C gained kinetic energy as well as potential energy. D lost kinetic energy as well as potential energy. So correct option is A lost its potential energy and gained equivalent amount of kinetic energy. Go to next question. Question number 15. When a swing is drawn to a side, its potential energy in relation to the earth. Option A increases, B decreases, C remains the same, D constant. So correct answer is increases. Option A is the correct answer. Go to next question. Question number 16. The sun continuously produces an enormous amount of energy. This is due to option A nuclear fission, B nuclear fusion, C chemical combustion, D boiling. So correct answer is nuclear fusion. Option B is the correct answer. Go to next question. Question number 17. The unit of power in SI is option A joule, B Newton, C joule per erg, D erg per second. So correct answer is option C joule per second. Go to next question. Question number 18. Where does the center of gravity of a rubber ring lie? Where does the center of a gravity of a rubber ring lie? Option A on the outer surface, B in the inner surface, C at the center of the ring, D none of the above. So correct answer is C at the center of the ring. Go to next question. If an empty cylinder is half ruled with a liquid, its center of gravity is option A shifted upwards, B shifted downwards, C shifted neither upward nor downward, D shifted upward or downward depending upon the density of the liquid. So correct answer is shifted downwards. Go to next question. 20. Who discovered that the Kreiskal acceleration is the printing mistake. The free fall acceleration is same for any object at a given place. So correct answer is options are Newton, Pascal, Archimedes, Galileo. So Galileo. This is the Option D, Galileo is the correct answer. Go to next question. A stationary elevated object has option A kinetic energy, B potential energy, C momentum, D both kinetic energy and potential energy. So correct answer is potential energy. ମୁଁ ଆପଣଙ୍କୁ କଣ୍ଟିନ୍ୟୁସ୍ ଭାବେ 50ଟା କ୍ୱେଶ୍ଚିନ୍ କରିବି, ଧୈର୍ଯ୍ୟ ଧରନ୍ତୁ ଆପଣମାନେ ପ୍ରଥମରୁ ଶେଷ ପର୍ଯ୍ୟନ୍ତ ଦେଖନ୍ତୁ। ଏ ଲାଇଟ୍ ଇୟର୍ ମିନ୍ସ ଅପସନ୍ ଏ ୟୁନିଟ୍ ଅଫ୍ ଲେନ୍ଥ, ବି ୟୁନିଟ୍ ଅଫ୍ ଟାଇମ୍, ସି ଏ ଇୟର୍ ଅଫ୍ नो consequence, D illumination throughout the year. So correct answer is A unit of length. A is the correct answer. Go to next question. Question number 23. An astronomical unit of distance is option A kilometer, B light year, C the average distance from the earth to the sun, D none of the above. The astronomical unit of distance is light year. Correct option is B. Go to next question. Question number 24. What is the minimum velocity required for a rocket to overcome Earth's gravity and travel into space? Option A 9.8 km per second, B 11.2 km per second, C 25 km per second, D 35 km per second. So correct answer is option B 11.2 km per second. Go to next question. 25. The motion of the pendulum of a wall clock is an example of option A vibratory motion, B linear motion, C rotational motion, D none of the above. So correct answer is vibratory motion, option A. Go to next question. Question number 26. The weight of a body is option A maximum at the equator, B maximum at pole, C same at everywhere, D minimum at equator. So correct answer is minimum at equator. Option D is the correct answer. The weight of a body. Go to next question. Chronometer is an instrument used to measure option A heat, B electric potential, C time, D distance between 2 points. So chronometer is an instrument used to measure time. Correct option is C. Go to next question. 28. In the case of the bodies falling under gravity, in which of the following remain constant at a given place? Option A kinetic energy, B potential energy, C acceleration, D all of the above. So correct answer is acceleration. Go to next question. 29. A projectile is fired at an angle with the horizontal with small velocity. Its horizontal range will be maximum when the angle with the horizontal is option A 0 degree, B 30 degree, C 45 degree, D 60 degree. So correct answer is 45 degree. Important question. Lekhi niyantu. Very important. Go to next question. Question number